Hey followers, good afternoon, good morning, good evening to everyone. My name is Jonathan and I'm here to give you some tips on how best you can make some money online using your smartphone, your phone and your laptop. So there have been a habit of the youth failing to make money just because they don't have jobs. They can't be called at offices. But here I'm here to share with you one of the ways you can make money even if you're seated at home by just using your smartphone. One, you need to understand that there are some businesses you can do without even investing any single coin and you make some good money. So today we are going to share, or we are going to talk about what we call drop shipping. Drop shipping, it is a process whereby I myself, I be a seller, but I don't own the products. So it will be point A, selling product A, and this product A belongs to someone. So I'll act like a middleman. You get a point? I'll act like a middleman. So how can you do this? You're going to create a website. Which website you're going to make it an e-commerce, and then you'll be listing different products. We have Jumia. We have different shops around Kampala, around like your community. So go to them, list down their products. One, for example, I'm going to sell a laptop. This laptop, I will first inquire from the owner, how much are you selling this laptop? The owner will tell me the laptop is maybe at 1 million. So me, what I will do, I will sell this laptop, or I will post this laptop on my website at 1.5. You get a point? So when the buyer comes now, he will buy it, or he will make an order online, and I will see that, yeah, this person has made an order of a laptop at 1.5. So I'll definitely give a call to the owner of the laptop, and then this person ships it now to the owner. He ships it to the buyer. You get a point? So the buyer pays money, and then after paying me the money, I get my 500 Ugandan shillings. Then I pay the owner of the laptop his 1 million. Meaning that that laptop, I've benefited 500 shillings. Have I invested in any single money? Second point, you don't know how to design a website. Someone comes in, Jonathan, I want to design a website. But you know someone who designs a website. You're going to handle this person who needs a website. For example, if a website is going to cost him maybe 5 million, you can tell him 7 million. If he accepts to pay the 6 million, you're going to pay the person who's going to design the website 5 million, you're going to eat 1 million. If, for example, in your community, someone is selling land, they're selling it maybe at 10 million, you can get a buyer at maybe 15 million. When the money comes in, you have the 5 million, the owner of the land has 10 million. So this is what we mean when we talk of drop shipping. You're shipping someone's products to the buyer and you get that money. Actually, that money is not called commission. That money is not commission. You've worked for that money. So what are you waiting for? Why can't you start doing this business so that you can earn something? As I've told you, this business doesn't require any single coin, any single capital. You start from zero and you progress and you make your own money. So my dear youth in the communities, don't start crying for the government that you don't have jobs. Don't cry for your local leaders that you don't have jobs. Don't cry for organizations that you don't have jobs. Jobs are there. Be able to make money and you will definitely come out from poverty that is killing many of the youth. Thank you so much. Get me in the next part of our videos. See you guys.